Hello dear students, today we are going to learn with you about electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy and it flows through wires to your home. The picture on the screen, what do we call them? Right, the white one is socket and the black one is electric cable or wire, we can say also wire. So electricity flows through these black wires with the help of outlets or socket. If you don't plug in the socket, your electrical devices will not work right. Okay, as we said, electricity is a form of energy which we use to power machines and electrical devices. Do you know what is electrical device? Okay, look at the pictures. For example, camera, laptop, watch, translator, iron, TV set, or the phones that you are holding or computers that you are using, all are electrical devices and they need electricity in order to work. If there is no electricity, all these electrical devices will stop working. Current electricity comes from two sources. First one is main electricity. What is main electricity? Main electricity is electricity that come from hydroelectric powerhouse to our house. And the picture as you see on the right, do you know the name of this hydroelectric powerhouse? If you know, please share your answer in EcoTJ. So this is your homework, small homework. So, and how it is transported electricity from power plants or powerhouses. So first, power plant or hydroelectric powerhouses, it's a synonym. They will produce electricity and then it will transformer steps up voltage for transmission. These transmission lines carries electricity over long distance. When you go to villages or when you go to far places, I think all of you have seen these transmission lines that you see on the number 3. Look at the number 3, and this number 3 is called transmission lines. And then number 4, neighborhood transformer steps down voltage, and then this neighborhood will distribute line carries electricity to our house. Distribution is in Tajik like taqsim. So it means today we learned that the electricity that come to our house comes long way, that starts from where? Right, from power plants or hydroelectric powerhouses. Some things use electricity from the mains. For example, this washing machine, iron, computer, TV, hair dryer or microphone. These are electric devices that use main electricity. As we said, they are two current flow of electricity. First one is main electricity and second one is cells. What are cells? Cells are batteries. Okay, synonym we can say batteries. And they can store electricity inside. And cells are often called battery, as we learned. Here you can see very different types of batteries or cells. Let's see some things that use electricity from batteries. Or what is the synonym of batteries? Right, cells. Watch, torch, or toys, or remote controller, or your watch on your hand. These are all use electricity from batteries because these batteries store electricity inside it. They can store. Okay, summary. What we learned today? We learned that electricity is a form of energy and it flows through wires to your home. And electricity comes from two sources, mains and cells. Main electricity come from hydroelectric powerhouse and cells electricity supply from cells or batteries. Thank you. And don't forget to smile.